Hello, I'm Steve Bustin from Get Your Voice Heard. I help individuals and organisations to become brilliant communicators. And in this video, I want to give you some strategies and some tools for making sure your online communications and especially your online networking are as effective as possible. Now, the first thing I want to just mention is how you answer that innocuous little question that comes up every time you meet somebody at a conference or a networking event, or quite frankly online, and that's, what do you do? And it is such an innocuous little question that we quite often give innocuous little answers. Now, the worst answer here is people just deliver their job title, or they recite the first paragraph of their LinkedIn profile. Now, that just tells me who you are, not what you do. And that's an important difference. So when somebody says, oh, what do you do? Turn that question around and answer it as if they had just said, what could you do for me? So it's not your chance to talk all about yourself and your achievements. Talk in terms of the person who's just asked you that question, whether that is in a chat box online or whether that is somebody you're talking to on camera or face to face. Talk in terms of what you do for your clients or your colleagues. Talk about the difference you make to their lives, to their businesses. And actually focus on the benefits you bring rather than the features of what you do is a good way to think about it. So if you can answer that question, what do you do, in terms of what I could do for you, you're actually going to make a connection far faster. So don't fall into the mistake of just telling somebody your job title or just reading off what you do on a day-to-day basis. Tell them how you could make a difference to them and their business.